Transform your old drafty masonry fireplace with the Fusion Insert, an elegant heating solution that represents the very latest in engineering sophistication. With its discreet flush mount surround that blends seamlessly into any decor, the Fusion is a convenient choice for homeowners. It offers the ability to modernize an existing natural fireplace without the need for costly renovations. Available in 2 Firebox sizes, the Fusion can easily be installed into a variety of masonry openings. And while it may be the compact model, the Fusion 18 can generously accommodate logs up to 18 inches in length. It is also capable of heating large areas of 1,500 square feet with an impressive BTU rate of 75,000 and meets the EPA's most exacting emission standards at 1.9 grams per hour. The Fusion 24 is among the largest inserts and boasts a wide glass door to ensure that the fire is the centerpiece on show. EPA approved, it is also highly efficient and can heat through spaces of 2,000 square feet. Among the features underpinning the exceptional performance of the Fusion are the dual fan blowers that effortlessly distribute heat over significant distances and can be set using the variable speed controller. And the built-in grill, a standard accessory which drops down, allows meals bursting with smoky barbecued flavor to be cooked indoors all year round. The innovative heart of every Supreme product is a stainless steel firebox, the result of more than 30 years of pioneering research and development. The chamber provides superior heat transfer. Within minutes of lighting, radiant warmth will permeate your home. And unlike traditional inserts built with refractory bricks, prone to cracking, this heavy-duty chamber will last the test of time. What's more, we guarantee its durability with a market-leading 25-year limited lifetime warranty. Further innovations include the patented air control for smooth ignition and long-lasting burns. Once activated, it automatically regulates the combustion by gradually reducing the primary air to the desired burn rate, resulting in beautifully consistent fires that burn to their full capacity. In addition, the Fusion Insert stands apart from other EPA-accredited models on the market thanks to its lack of secondary air tubes. These inconveniently require constant maintenance and can hamper access to the chamber when filling it with wood. Instead, the Fusion is built to a unique design that allows secondary air to enter through a perforated baffle. The results are both aesthetically pleasing and ecologically sound. Unimpeded views of the fire, prolonged combustion, and minimized emissions. The Fusion is guaranteed to provide comfort for a lifetime. It's the ideal choice for homeowners wanting to convert an energy-draining masonry fireplace into an environmentally friendly, efficient heat source without any compromises.